it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and I'm joined by Chris from SolderKing. How are you?
Hi Claire, yeah, I'm very well, thank you. Very well. It's been a very enjoyable couple of days, and thank you for having me. How are you?
It's an absolute pleasure. All good, thank you. Yeah, very busy show, very encouraging.
Yeah.
It's always good to, and also be on home turf is nice. So yeah, being in the UK.
It's great, and it kind of highlights the UK electronics industry. There's so many thriving companies here, and what an exciting industry to be involved in.
It is exciting, and we've known each other for many years, but SolderKing itself is 7 years old?
Yes, exactly that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's 7 years old, and we've gone from strength to strength over the years. SolderKing's a great company to have co-founded, and I feel that we're in a very good position to support large and contract manufacturers and OEMs.
Yeah. So tell me a bit more about your product. Obviously you're into soldering.
Yeah.
So tell me more about the product. Tell me what you do. What makes you different?
Okay. So I would say SolderKing quite unique. Every product that we manufacture is developed in-house, and we have full control. This is where we kind of thrive, because it gives contract manufacturers and electronic manufacturers that extra process control, and that's what it's about, right?
Yeah.
We're also bolstered by the technical support that comes along with it, because obviously we manufacture the products, we know the products inside and out, and we work directly with customers as well and work with their processes. So yeah, we're in a good position to support them.
Good. So you understand your customers, you listen to your customers, which obviously allows you to evolve.
Yeah.
But the fact that it's a UK company, everything's developed here, is great, and it's just another sort of tick to the bow of what we do have in the UK. Because like you said before, I think people underestimate what we have, and I think it's very, very often overlooked about how strong the UK marketplace is.
Yeah.
So you've done incredibly well promoting as a UK business.
Yeah.
I believe you just won the King's Award as well.
We did, yeah, and I'm still kind of speechless about it, to be honest. So the King's Award it's one of the most prestigious business awards that you can win in the UK. And we won that because of export as well. So at the time, 44% of our business is export, and we were categorised under outstanding short-term growth. So it was a great achievement by the whole SolderKing team.
That's brilliant. That's great stuff. And are you seeing a resurgence in the UK? Are you seeing reshoring? What are the trends that you're seeing?
So yes, there is certainly reshoring, and this puts SolderKing in a strong position. The current trends at the moment are reliability, understandably, because electronics are finding themselves now in challenging atmospheres, challenging conditions, so you need a solder consumable that can keep up with those demands. And there's also the sustainability challenges as well, which rightly so, everybody's searching for greener products, and SolderKing are on hand to support with that as well.
That's great stuff. And you're right, we have to look at sustainability, we have to look at longevity.
Yeah.
We have become a very throwaway society. That has to change.
Yeah.
There's no two ways about that. So it's just how we can adapt and encouragingly let that you've got a product that is being made here.
Yeah.
It's allowing that, and incredible figures on the exporting. It just shows that I guess the UK stamp is also still very well respected around the world.
Absolutely. I will forever champion Made in Britain. I believe British product is quality. I believe it's innovative, and British manufactured products are up there with the very best, and I hope that shines through with our solder consumables as well.
That's great, brilliant stuff. Well, I wish you all the best. Congratulations on your award.
Thank you so much.
And I hope the final day is really rewarding for you and not too tiring.
Same to you as well.
Thank you. Yeah, and we'll see you, I'm sure, somewhere around the globe very soon.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Chris.
Cheers.